So hello everyone. Today we will be solving the problem the largest positive integer that exists which is negative, right? So you are given an integer nums such that does not contain any zeros. First of all, it's given, and you have to find the largest positive integer k such that minus k also exists in that array. For example, you have to return the positive integer k. If there is no such integer, then we have to return a value that is -1. For example, in this case, nums is given -1, 2, -3 and 3. So -1 is there is no equivalent to 1. 2 is there is no -2, there is -3, and then we have 3. So the answer will be 3, right? So again, in this case, let's see, -1 is there, 1 is there, but it's not the largest. -7 is there, 7 is there, yes, it's the largest. 10 is there, but -10 is not there, so 7 will be our answer. So try let's think of the approaches. See, first of all, your approach can be, you can traverse in the whole. First you can take this element -1 and then traverse in the whole array and check if there exists a 1 or not. If that exists, then you will tell that this could be our answer, and we will be finding the maximum from it, right? So you will move on to the next element, and then again from 2 you will find the next large element. So if you do so, your time complexity would be O of n square, right? O of n square will be your time complexity. And hearing this, your interviewer will not be happy. He will definitely say to you if you could do in a better time complexity or not. So we can do it in time O of n or O of n log n, right? So we will be trying in doing it in O of n log n. So let's see how we will do it. So first of all, we will sort the array, right? Why sorting? Let's see, we will see that also. So if you sort, let's take this example, right? If you sort, it will become what? It will become -1, -3, sorry, it will be -3, then -1, -3, then -1, then 2, and then a 3, right? So it will be a -3, then -1, 2 and 3, right? This will be the sorted part. Now what's my approach is, then I will simply check. I will run a loop. I will I am defining an unordered map that is known as NP, and a maxi has been defined as -1. So we'll traverse in the whole array from 0 to n, and the only thing which we will be checking is, we will take the number equal to nums of I, and we will do map of number plus plus, right? So for example, -3 will be plus plus, okay? So what we will do, we will check if map of number, that is -3, -2 into number. Why are we doing so? You will understand it very clearly. So let's see, first complete it. Map of number -2 into number, if it's greater than equal to 1. Why greater than equal to 1? Because there might be some cases where the value of minus are more than 1. So that's why we are doing greater than equal to 1, right? So if it exists, then we will just find the maximum out of it, right? So if there is a maximum element, or this is the maximum element, or any other elements are there which is maximum, right? So we'll simply do a maximum. Whereas you can also say that we have sorted the array, we don't need to find the maximum, we just simply need to find the answer. That's also right? So you will simply find the maxi. I'm just writing it, it doesn't matter also. So you will write maxi and you will return maxi. Now how will this code be run? Why are we writing map of number minus 2 times of number greater than equal to 1? So if you see in this example, map of -3 is 1, right? Then map of -1 is 1, map of 2 is 1. Then when we come to map of 3 is 1, right? Map of 3 is 1. Now we want to check that for 3, does the -2 times, see, -3 and 3, if you multiply 3, if you do 3 into 2 times of 3, 3 minus 2 times of 3, that is 3 minus 6, right? If you do so, it will come -3, right? So this is a simple logic. If you have any number, what you want to do is, you just simply want that any number minus 2 times of number will definitely give you that negative part of the number. One more example, you take 4. So 4 minus 2 times of 4 will give you what? It will give you -4. See, 4 minus 8, it will give you -4, right? So that's the logic behind it. That's why we are writing map of number minus 2 times of number. So at any point, if you are at map of 3, you will do 3 minus 2 times of 3, right? 3 minus 2 times of 3, right? It will give you minus 3. So if that exists in your map, then you will simply do what? You will find it, that it is the maximum number or not, or you will store it, right? And you will simply return it. If you have any queries about this, you can simply ask me, but I think it must be pretty clear that what we are trying to approach, right? So let's see for one more example. Let's see, for this example, let's say it's minus 1, 10, 6, 7, 7 and 1. So simply say 1 is there, minus 1 is there. When you will sort it, it will be minus 1, 7, then 1, 6, 7 and 10, right? And then when you will do when you will come at 1, you will simply check for it, and if you will get the minus 1 part, right? Then for 7 part, when you will check, you will get minus 7 also, and when these two exist, that's why the answer is 7. I think that this part is pretty much clear.